Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
May I know your name?
I'm Carmelita Naasan, ma'am.
Where did you come from?
Philippine, ma'am.
What language can you speak?
English and a bit Chinese, ma'am.
Okay. What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Single, ma'am.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers, ma'am.
And your number?
Number 8, ma'am.
What is your last education?
College, ma'am.
What course?
Elementary education, ma'am.
What is your height?
5 feet, ma'am.
And your weight?
50, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
A little bit, ma'am.
Why do you like to go Hong Kong?
I want to earn money and for my family, ma'am.
Do you have any overseas working experience?
Yes, ma'am, in Singapore.
How many years?
5 years, ma'am.
How many employers?
1 month.
How much your salary?
$320, ma'am.
Do you have any off day?
Yeah, once a month, ma'am.
Do you mind if your off day is not on Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to give some of your off day if your employer is willing to compensate?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your employer?
Samyuklan, ma'am.
What is the race?
Chinese, ma'am.
What is the type of house?
Flat, ma'am.
How many members do you serve?
4, ma'am.
These are?
Sir, ma'am, and 2 children, ma'am.
How old are the children?
4 and 7, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please tell me your daily duties to your house?
Cleaning, cooking, and fetching the children to school, ma'am.
Okay. How many meals you cook a day?
2 times, ma'am, afternoon and dinner, ma'am.
Okay. What time you wake up?
6 a.m., ma'am.
What time you finish your work?
10 p.m., ma'am.
Do you need to do marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need to send children to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me if you're taking care of newborn baby?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to look after?
No, ma'am.
Can you please tell me if you're taking care of small kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do for them?
Shower them, ma'am, give them food to eat. Then I help them change their clothes. Then I cooking food for them, ma'am. Then I teach them to the homework from school, ma'am.
Okay. Are you to take care of elderly and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you cook?
Steamed fish, fried rice, fried vegetable, pork soup, chicken soup, ma'am.
Okay. Are you to take care of dogs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you operate all kinds of electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know that you can invite friends or strangers to their house without their permission?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have anything to say to your future employer? What do you promise?
I promise that I promise to finish to be good to my employer, then to finish my 2 years contract in Hong Kong, ma'am.